Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Manpreet and I'm a professional makeup artist. And today I'm going to show you how to do this soft glam look. And if you want to learn, so please keep on watching. Here I'm going to start with Tarte Concealer. And I'm going to place this color all over my eyelids before doing any makeup. And here I'm going to use Desert Dust palette from Huda Beauty, and here I have taken purple color and I'm going to give this color in my crease and I'm going to blend this color. For good eye makeup, you must blend each and everything in your eye makeup. Everything should be properly blended. And now I'm going to do my crease, and here I'm taking NYX concealer. You can easily buy this concealer from Nykaa, and here I'm using this concealer to create a fine crease, because in this video today I'm going to show you how to create a half cut crease eye makeup. As you can see that I have created a very fine crease over my eyeshadow, and here I'm taking Morphe palette 3503, and here I'm taking orange color and I'm just going to put this color all over the crease that I have created. And I really like the color of this Morphe palette because they are so pigmented. As you can see, I have applied the orange color and I am gradually increasing the orange color. Here you can see that I am building the color very slowly, and after giving this orange color I'm going to blend my corners. Here I have taken black color from the same Morphe palette, and pigments are so amazing of Morphe, and I'm just blending the outer corners because I want my makeup to look really blended. And I'm doing same thing on both eyes. And now I'm going to put glitters by using two-way gel, and the gel is from brand Pack Cosmetics. You can easily buy this gel online or from the stores. It's easily available. And here I'm going to put golden glitters. It's gel eyeliner. You can use any eyeliner. Either you can use liquid eyeliner or a gel eyeliner. It totally depends upon you, whatever you like. It's taking little while, and now I'm going to put eyelashes, and here I'm using glue from Duo brand that you can easily buy from Nykaa. And if you're going to apply eyelashes, you must use a good eyelash glue. Further, after doing my eyelashes, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and today I'm going to use LA Girl Brow Gel. You can make your eyebrows either with a brow gel, or even you can use any eyeshadow in brown color, or there are so many brow kits available in the market. Here I have taken darkest brown color from LA Girl. I'm not taking black because already she has a really good eyebrow, so I don't want to make her look like fake eyebrows. So now it's time for moisturization. Before applying any foundation, it is very important to apply a good moisturizer. So here I have used moisturizer from Prane Cosmetics. You can buy them online on Nykaa or from any other website. Trust me, they have really good products. And now this is time for correction, and here I'm going to use correction palette from Nykaa. It is also easily available online from Nykaa. I'm going to put link for each and every product that I have used in video. If anybody wants to buy anything, they can buy from there. And now I'm doing correction using orange corrector, and after that I'm going to blend it everything because I really want to make it look so smooth and blended. Here I'm going to use foundation, and this time I'm going to use LA Girl foundation. They have really amazing shades, and application is very smooth. I'm applying foundation with the help of brush, and this brush is from ProArt, and I really like each and every product from ProArt because they have like very fine quality, and in term of brushes they are really amazing. Now my foundation is completed, and here I'm going to use concealer from Elf Cosmetics in shade light, and I'm going to put concealer all over the highlighted areas like below eyes, on forehead, on bridge of the nose, chin, and you have to blend it. Here I'm using Smashbox concealer again in shade light medium, and again I am going to highlight all the high points on the face because I want to highlight these areas on the forehead, on the bridge of the nose, because we are doing soft high definition makeup today. For contouring, I'm going to use contouring stick from Benefit Cosmetics. Unfortunately, it's no longer available because it's from limited edition. I bought it last year from Sephora, and that time they told me this thing, and this is really amazing, really creamy, and application is really smooth. And here I am blending it, and those who don't want to see that how I did blending, they can fast forward the video from here, but I am adding all these clips because those who want to see that how I do my blending, they can see, they can learn from it. And now I'm going to put foundation all over the neck and on the chest because it is very important to cover these areas, because I really don't want to make her face look different from her body color. Now I'm going to set my makeup with the help of loose powder, and I'm doing so with the help of puff, and here I have used loose powder from Laura Mercier. You can use any loose powder that is available in the market. For contouring, I have used powder contour from Tarte palette, and now I'm going to contour the areas wherever I had done a liquid contouring on my forehead and over the cheeks, and don't forget the jaw areas if you have like double chin or you have very round face. And now I'm doing contouring on the nose because I want to make her nose look more slimmer and sharp. I'm using blending brush again from PAC. Trust me, they have really good brushes. And here I'm going to dust off powder that we have used earlier. And this is the time for blush, and I'm using blush from Tarte palette. It's in very light baby pink color. I really like this color. And I'm doing blusher on the cheeks. Here I have used makeup setting spray from Makeup Studio and highlighter from Becca. I have used color Champagne from Becca palette, and now I'm doing highlighting on the nose. and little bit on the inner corner of the eyes. Now I'm smudging below her eyes with the help of pointed brush from ProArt. Here for lips I have used Kiko Milano lip pencil. So I'm just going to outline her lips. She already has very good shape of her lips, so I'm just following her outline. For lipstick I have used Maybelline matte liquid lipstick in shade nude. They have very good range of nude shades in lipsticks, especially in liquid lipsticks. And I'm just filling her lips. Since we have used matte lipstick, now I'm going to put gloss over the lipstick because I want to make her lips look plumpier. So here I have used lip gloss from PAC. So here is the look that I have created for my model. She is looking very beautiful, and as you guys can see, makeup is really flawless, and she's looking just amazing. So if you guys like my video, just give me a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see more videos like this on professional makeup, just subscribe my channel and stay tuned. And don't forget to press bell icon for notifications.